Adjust hair volume at hair roots, and create a volumizing effect for this hairstyle at the same time. Using electric clippers, quickly trim the bottom of the hair to a clean length. Create wispy and three-dimensional effects by slanting texturizing. Cut the length by texturizing to cut to make hair ends look natural. Use horizontal cutting techniques to trim hair ends at the top. Finish by modifying the contour line with Vern Scissors 6N. Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern Scissors? Get more details in description.